Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Zero Davila. Welcome back to Save Our System IT. Today we will crack a password-protected zip archive using a dictionary and a Python script. Before I start, I would like to remind you all to have respect for the intimacy and private life of others. I should also probably mention the difference between a dictionary attack and a brute force attack. The dictionary attack consists in using a text file that has the most probable passwords for a target, be it a file that was personalized for a specific target, if you get info on the target, or be it a generic dictionary with the most used password in general. But there is always the chance that the correct password may not be in the dictionary. Brute forcing it, on the other hand, we will without question find the correct length and sequence of characters, but seeing that it will try all character sequences and lengths until it gets to the correct one, it will require a lot of time and resources, and may even take longer than your lifespan. For that very reason, brute forcing it is used only as a last resort when everything else has failed, be it other types of attacks or social engineering. We have imported the zip file module. It's the module used by Python to interact with zip type archives. We will also import the option parser to be able to parse arguments in the terminal and threading to be able to construct and manipulate threads. We created the extract file method and we will offer it as arguments a zip file and the password, and we will also have an exception where we will have zip file extract all to attempt to extract the content of the archive using the current password in the dictionary. When it will find the correct one, it will print out the correct password has been identified. Plus the password itself. It will also print out the password itself. If this doesn't happen, it must continue the process though, so accept pass. Now we have to write the second method called main, and we have to offer it the two arguments that we will parse in the terminal. So parser equals option parser dot option parser and the usage instructions. So we will have -f followed by the zip archive and -d followed by the dictionary file. To add each option individually, we must use the add option method. So parser.addOptions, open parentheses. First, we must mention how the option should look like, so -f as a string. Then we have the destination variable. We will put the input received by the -f option inside zip name. The type will be string and help equals the string that is printed in the terminal in case the user does not properly use the script. So specify zip file. We will do the exact same thing for the -d option that takes the dictionary file. So -d, destination dname, type string. And help specify dictionary file. Now inside the parentheses we will have options and arguments. We will have to parse the arguments. It will equal parser.parseargs and we will call the method parseargs. We will also have a small if statement. If it will not receive the zip file option or the dictionary option, it will print out the usage instructions. So parser.usage, and then we will exit with an exit code of 0. And we specify this by offering it 0 as an argument. So if options.zname equals none or options.dname equals none, print parser.usage. Exit 0. For the else clause, we will start with two variables. Zip name will be options.zipName and dictionary name will be options.dictionaryname. All that's left is to interact with the archive using the zip file method. Open the dictionary file and with a for loop and the readLines method to iterate over the dictionary and read it line by line and try every single one until the correct password is identified. We will also need to strip the new line symbol from the end of every password because we really don't want it to try it on every single password. So we have a zip file equals zip file.zip file and offer it the zip name, and pass file will open dname to open the dictionary file. For line in pass file dot read lines. Password equals line.strip. And we will strip the new line, so /n. And at the end of the loop, we have to construct the thread and start it by calling the start method. So t equals thread, target equals extract file, the method we just wrote. And the arguments will be zip file and password. And t.start. And call the start method. So if name equals main, we will call the main method. Now I have to save the file, exit, and we'll call it without any arguments. So python zipcrack.py, and we see the usage, parser.usage. Now we put the -f option. First we must ls. See, we have a zip file called evil.zip and a dictionary.txt. After we use the command python zipcrack.py -f evilzip -d dictionary, we'll see that we found the password, and the password is secret. And when we ls again on the desktop directory, we see a new directory called evil. That's the uncompressed data. And that's about it for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Any questions you might have are to be left down in the comment section or on our website www.sosit.co. Again, that's www.sosit.co. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.